In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the new card visual in Power BI. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so the best way to do this is to go ahead and open up your Power BI report. Then from here, head on over to the visualization pane, and then below that, go ahead and select your new card here. So it's right here, it's just called card. So I'm just going to place it over here. I'm just going to make it a little bit smaller, and I might expand it out. So now this new card visual can contain multiple values in one visual rather than requiring a separate visual for every KPI. Then from here, you want to go ahead and add your first metric. So for example, we can add in the month, the sales, even the target as well. You can also drag these into here. So I can go ahead and drag this into the visuals. So this is one of the biggest differences from the old card visual system. You can combine multiple metrics into one flexible card visual. Also, we can format this visual. So we can go ahead and click onto it. And then to the right here, under visualizations, click onto format your visual. And then we've got a lot of different options how we can edit it. We can edit the visual. We can come over here and we can change the headings, the colors, the font. We can add header icons. We can give it tooltips, alt text. We've even got data format, so you can play around with all that stuff as well.